Hey everyone, now you can use Gemma 4, which is a powerful Google model with Claude Code for free. You don't need to download, you don't need high GPU and CPU or high specification computer, but you can use the API of Gemma 4 for free and chat with that and build your projects for free. Let's start. First, we will open ollama.com website. Ollama.com, this website. After opening this, because we need first of all to download the open source Ollama tool, which give access to the free LLMs. So to download this, here you have the command line to download and install it on your computer, or you can download the setup by pressing this download button. Here we have different OS operating systems. You can select that and press the download button to download that. I have already downloaded Ollama. I will open that for you. This is the Ollama setup that you can see. Here you can chat directly with Ollama also. Here you can select the model. After downloading and installing the Ollama, now we will use Ollama with Claude. Ollama with Claude. Search this and you will see the first website, Claude Code. Okay, the integration with Claude Code. So as you can see, after come down, you will see the install section. In the install, it says for Mac or Linux, you can use this command to install Claude Code on your computer, but for Windows, click this and copy this command. You can use terminal for let's for example open CMD, or we will move to VS Code editor. Let's open the VS Code editor. So here right click, and in the VS Code you will see this command, press enter. It will install Claude Code on your computer. When the installation completed, simply run Claude and you will see the interface of Claude Code. This is the interface of Claude Code. You will see here the model, which is Sonnet 4.6, the default model. And for the first time, you will face with the login page to log into the Claude Code. You don't need to log in because we would like to use it with Ollama. So skip from that just by pressing Ctrl+C and exit from that page. We will use Ollama to set up with that. Come here back to the Ollama website and to the models. On models, you will see lots of models that you can select. Look at these are different models. You can search here Gemma 4 or you will find look at Gemma 4, this one. Select this option. Which model you want to use, you can use all these models. Okay, but we will use Gemma 4 in this video, which is a powerful model. Come down in the model section. Here you will see some. Okay, look at the size of these models. Different version like 9.6 GB, 7.2, 9.6, 18, 20. The 20 GB, this one is the powerful model which has 31 billion parameters. You can download these models locally to your machine through Ollama and use it for locally. No need to the internet, no need just for the privacy. Also, you can run it on your machine, but it needs high GPU and CPU and RAM. That's it. But we will use this cloud-based Gemma 4 to access it and run it on our machine and build projects. So to build that, after setting up the cloud, now simply come here up. Here you can see the application. So to run this model with Claude Code, simply copy this command. Come here back to the VS Code. Let's clear it. Right click. Instead of Gemma 4, we will go back and here we will copy the name of this one. Copy this cloud-based name, right click and paste that. Simply press enter. Now it will run Claude Code interface. Look at now the model changed to Gemma 4 31 billion cloud. That's it. Now let's chat with this. Hi, simply we will run first of all a simple question. Hi. Hello, how can I help you with your project? Now you can just put your prompt whatever you want so you can build your projects. For example, let's tell this, create hello world HTML program. A simple program. You can build big projects using this model, but for you to show you how it will work, look at the HTML has been created. It says, would you like to create index.html? Yes. Look at the index.html file has been created. Now you can run this, right click, reveal in file explorer and run this. You can see hello world. That's it. Now sometimes you will face with errors. while you are running Claude, you will face with errors. For that error, simply whenever you run Claude /status, press enter. So here you will see, look at Anthropic base URL. The base URL is right now, it is referring to the Ollama. Keep in mind while you are using Ollama, change these environment variables to Ollama. If you are running any open router, it should be bin open router base URL. Keep these settings in mind. You can move to the config also and check the settings. But to set it up, come here to the Ollama Claude Code with Anthropic AI compatibility. It says get started, install Claude Code, and then come here, connect with Ollama. So use this for Mac, and for Windows you can use set instead of this export to set the Anthropic token to Ollama and the Anthropic base URL to this. That's it. It was all about how to set up Claude Code with Ollama Gemma 4 model for free. If this video was helpful, please like this video and also comment down. Thanks for watching.